All right, so today we have the latest set of earbuds from LG, and these ones have a special twist, UV cleanable. UV will wipe out the bacteria that accumulates on the earbuds. This is the second generation now, LG tone free. We've also got some scientific equipment in order to determine how much bacteria the case that these earbuds live in can actually kill using UV. This is the regular charge case where the earbuds live, so it's not like anything extra you're gonna have to do. You're popping them in the case and they're constantly being cleaned without you even really thinking about it due to the power of UV. A lot of people thinking about germs these days. A lot of people thinking about hygiene is on the mind of people these days, and that's where this comes in. Special packaging, tone-free unbox therapy edition. Look at the fancy box they put together here, the presentation. I believe that's me. Look, they even did the UNBXT hat. Otis is on my shoulder. And I personally appreciate the hockey stick. LG's always got the attention to detail, recognizing that I'm playing the hockey and I'm into it. Here we have a number of colors available. This is a special edition, transparent. There's also the pearl white, haze gold, and charcoal black that are gonna be sold in most markets. There's also some paperwork, charge cable. 5 minutes of charge is gonna give you about an hour of listening. And with a full charge, including the case, you're gonna get about 24 hours of battery life. There's some other cool stuff too. The ability to use the case as a Bluetooth transmitter to the earbuds if you're plugging into a source that is not wireless capable, Bluetooth capable, like on an airplane. This has happened to all of us. What you can do here is go USB-C on the back into the analog source. This could also be useful at gyms, you know, where there's like the treadmill, which has content. So you can plug in here and now the case becomes a wireless transmitter to the buds. So any source has now been converted to wireless with this tiny cable, which is cool. It's a dedicated mechanical switch in order to move between the analog wired connection and just your typical Bluetooth connection. We also have some different ear tips in here, a better material choice for some people who have sensitivity for certain other ear tip materials that are out there. The case is kind of like a little pebble shape to it. You can see the UVnano light on the front. You can see here that for the audio, they teamed up with Meridian, legendary audio company, for the tuning of the acoustics on these. Now, another thing that apparently LG took into consideration here is the profile of the earbud. It actually doesn't stick out too far like some other ones, so that it keeps the slimmest profile possible. 3 microphone array on here for better noise cancellation during calls. There's a transparency mode now. You can see some of the sensors on the side. I can tell right away that it's a fairly slim profile because they don't pop out that far. Jack's shaking his head no. I'm pretty isolated from my environment. Now, I just turned on transparency mode. You guys know I'm a big fan of transparency mode. This is a pass-through, so the audio in the environment is coming through the microphone array in order to deliver me a little more awareness. Something called whisper mode, which allows you to remove one earbud during a phone call and whisper into the microphone. Hear how quietly you're speaking and still hear the other person you're talking to. So that if you're on the subway or something, there's the app. Tone-free app, how to connect. Okay, so this is the haze gold. It's kind of like a rose gold almost. Yeah, it's, what would you call this? It's a subtle, it's a luxurious. This might be a luxurious color, some may consider. Pearl white, pearlescent kind of reflectiveness to it. And these tones are on the cooler side. These are the special edition ones. These are transparent. Cool, but it's like a matte finish transparent. Transparency is all the rage these days. One tap on the earbud is going to answer calls and pause your music. 2 taps is going to end a call. It's also going to be volume control. 3 times will play the next song, and a long press gives you the ambient noise coming through. So let me try the long press. Makes a little click noise to let you know. The case reduces bacteria on the speaker mesh of the earbuds in only 5 minutes. And the LED indicator light will tell you how much battery you have as well based on the color it's displaying. Green representing more than 80, red less than 20. Equalizer settings, courtesy of LG X Meridian. By default, it's in the bass boost mode. There's also immersive natural treble boost and 3D soundstage. Active noise cancellation. You can do an off setting, so you have none of that. And you can do ambient sound, which is the mode that I'm in right now. now. There's also conversation mode, which I've just enabled, tuned to hear voice frequencies. Go ahead, Jack.
Test 1 2. Hello.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Very clear. Mo, go ahead.
Testing 1 2 3.
I'm having a conversation with Mo. Okay, let me go back to typical ambient. Go ahead.
Hello, hello.
Oh, wow. All right. So that really accentuates the human voice frequency, the frequency that most human voice lives in. It's very nice for conversation, actually. And there's also a Find My Earbuds option, which will locate your earbuds with a chirping sound. Yeah, there you go. It's beeping. The right earbud. And what's nice here, it's not just the pair or the case. This is each individual earbud. So if it falls in the couch cushion, whatever, no problem. It chirps. Let me go ahead and play some music here. I'm looking for some hot new music. Here we go. Here's Adele, Easy on Me, live. I didn't know I was gonna get a chance to listen to any of this new Adele stuff. Like I got lost there for a second.
Is it good?
I want to put on the noise canceling. Here we go. High level noise canceling. Okay, how about this? Post Malone, The Weeknd. One right now. Here we go. That dude puts out hits. That there Weeknd right there? Man, that guy puts out hits. Sheesh. Okay, so these earbuds are now disgusting, filled with bacteria, as they would be when they go into your ears. Apparently this section right here is what the UV is going to target, because that's where you get like buildup of bacteria and junk and stuff. If you've ever seen somebody's earbuds in the past. The way this works, we're not going to put them in here yet, because this thing is going to kill the bacteria with the UV light that's built in. What we're going to do is first test how much bacteria is in that little section where the grill is, and we're going to do that using the System Sure Plus. So we have this little swab. We're going to crack this open, swab the inside, place it into the meter, and see what kind of reading we get for how much bacteria is on there now, just coming out of my ears. We're testing. Rub it in there. All right, we're collecting. Good. All right, the solution is in. All right, we're ready to put in the solution now. There we go. Close it down. All right, I was just wearing them for not even that long, and we got it up to a 49. Next, let's put them in the case. Put them in a case, and this is a thing that you do anyway as well, so it's just kind of a bonus. Down there where the contact point is, you can see the tiny little UV element in there. The 5-minute charge, it coincides with the 5-minute clean. And in this 5 minutes that we're getting an hour playtime, we're also going to be UV cleaning, hence the blue UV light on the front. All right, so the blue light is off. The UV portion of the sequence has completed. So I'm gonna pull these back out now. Okay. Swab complete. All right. A reduction in bacteria. This is a bonus. I mean, you're gonna have earbuds anyways. You're gonna be putting them in the case anyways. So any little bit of enhanced hygiene, perfect. It's a little bonus. It still has all the features that you want in a fully wireless earbud, including some extra ones like the ability to turn the case into a wireless transmitter, the pass-through ambient noise option, noise canceling, that's all in there. And then you have the bonus of the hygiene aspect with the little UV light in there.